What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to accept credit cards as payment on your Shopify account, so let's dive into it. So there are a couple of ways. First, you can accept swipe card payment. So you can accept a credit payment with a supported swipe card reader. So from the card screen, tap checkout. If your card reader isn't connected, then follow the instructions on the Shopify POS screen to connect. You can also enter the credit card info manually. Swipe the customer's credit card as displayed in the Shopify POS screen. The customer authorizes the payment with their signature or PIN, depending on card type. Also, we are having then just tap done to return to Shopify POS product, and optional is to cancel an order, but we're not gonna dive into it. We are having tap and chip credit payments. So from the card screen, tap checkout. If your card reader isn't connected, then follow the instructions on the Shopify POS. You can also enter a card info manually. Also, you allow the customers to insert or tap their card. When Shopify POS displays a payment approved message, this transaction is complete. If the customer is using a tap method, then they need to hold their contactless credit card or contactless device within 2.5 centimeters of the card reader, or if a customer is using a chip credit card, they need to insert the card into a card reader. Also, you can tap a receipt and just click done after you and finish the process. And also, we are having an external card reader. From the card screen, go to checkout. From the select payment option screen, tap your custom payment type, tap the credit card type that's being processed. Make sure that they have successfully proceeded the payment with your external terminal, and tap mark as paid. Email or text the customer receipt, and then tap done and return to the POS screen. So basically, we are having a manual credit payment. So from the card, go to checkout, tap credit card, manual entry, enter the credit card details, tap charge to proceed the payment, and tap done. So basically that's the entirety of the process, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.